Morning, everybody. It's excuse me. It's 8:34 on the last day of January, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 2057. Okay, Asia mixed to lower, Europe outright lower. Today's a big news day. So far, we have the ADP number, which came in at up 107 versus an expectation of 150. So that's a little on the cool side, which is, I guess, good. Fourth quarter employment cost up 9 tenths. Expectations there were for up 1% even. So a little bit better there. And this is kind of interesting. Treasury refunding. So yesterday they told us they're going to need less money. But today they tell us that the Treasury refund is going to be for the quarter, excuse me, 121 billion, and that's up 16 billion. On top of that, as has been the case for months now, they are refinancing at the short end, which is, just a recipe for disaster. You're borrowing long and financing short doesn't generally work. Okay, so in the news, we have Boeing, uneventful, basically unchanged. We have Byron Allen buying Paramount Global, PARA. Looks like about a $30 billion deal. The purchase is 14.3. The assumption of debt is the rest. And the chart on the screen here is the gold, just kind of consolidating in this area. Still, get short at 2065, 2070 with a stop just above it. Buy it lower. We did get the cross yesterday in both the MACD and the short term moving averages, the 5 going through the 20. So a little bit of constructive work there. The oil is down slightly, down about 95 cents, and that is an inside day so far. I'd really like to see a higher high, higher low, but again, consolidating in the area that it just broke out from. So I'm pretty constructive there. And as you can see, the 5 day went through the 50. So it went through the 20 right here, now through the 50, excuse me, and heading up towards being supportive, let's just say in the 74.85 to 75.25 area. Also, in the news, we had all of those earnings yesterday. All those stocks are lower this morning. Microsoft's coming back a little, but still down $3. Alphabet down 8.5. AMD down 8.5. Tesla down almost $5, 2.6% on the fact that the Delaware courts have struck down the $56 billion compensation package. Walmart splitting the stock 3-for-1. I think that you're actually going to see more of this, as a lot of these stocks are in the multiple hundred price range. And I think that there's definitely more comfort with small investors buying a round lot of a $50 stock as opposed to a $500 stock. Teradyne beats by 7 cents, revenue in line, but guides below consensus, 98 down $6 and change. That Paramount Global, by the way, is trading just under $16. That's up 2.25. We'll have to see how that shakes out because there has not been any comment about the structure of the deal. Uh, let's see. Stock futures right now. At 7:30, the Dow was up 58. At 8:14, before that ADP number, it was up 36. At 8:29, before the Q4 employment cost index and the Treasury refunding, it was up 68. Right now, it's up about 51. The NASDAQ, which was in this general area, this is pretty much the low since 7:30, down about 160. And the S&P, which has been pretty steady right around the down 20 to 22. Right now, let's see if I can get you an up to date one. It looks like it's down about 23. So, not really overwhelming. The 10 year is down a little at 401.7. All right, folks, be careful out there. This is going to be a very choppy market, and we do have more news coming. We have FOMC at 2 o'clock. I'll be back later.